Hey, what's going on, everybody on YouTube? Alright, so in this video, this is the 3000 GT that has the ruined interior. The first one that my first videos are about. Basically, this video is, I went in the trunk, I removed all the plastics, got underneath down to the metal, and you can see there's a bunch of rust in here. Just trying to clean it up here with a shop vac. You can see all the dirt in there. You'll see more of it in a second here. And you can also see the gas tank that's sitting in the back of the car. That's the gas tank I pulled out of the white donor car. I just set it in there for now. But yeah, you can see how dirty it is in there. So I'm just trying to get all the dirt out. I'm sure half of that is rat crap and other stuff. And what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to shop vac, clean it all up, take some soap and some water, clean up all the dirt, and then I'm going to sand down the rust spots and then hit it with some primer and try to clean it up a little. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's in the trunk. It's going to be under things. Nobody's really going to see it. It's going to be behind plastics and all that stuff, so not looking for perfection here, just trying to clean it up. Like you can see a bolt there by the shop vac that's rusted. Decent bit back there for considering it's the inside of the car. There's parts of this video that get a little boring. It's just repetitive, but I'm just gonna let it play. If you don't like it, just fast forward through it. I did some editing, but I didn't feel like editing out every last bit. And some of it you'll see as I clean as progress goes along. I didn't want to edit that part out. I want you to actually be able to see the difference. mask. 'Cause this is fucking disgusting. Everywhere. Fuck. See that fucking far ass one? There we go. Now I got it. Yeah, so and then you can see here I didn't record when I actually painted it. I just used some regular primer, buy from AutoZone, just spray paint primer, and I just sprayed it over the rust areas that I cleaned up. And you can see the rubber plugs, I cleaned those up, put those back in. So that's where I'm at the trunk, and I'll start putting the plastics in and start rebuilding all that area back. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll try to get more to you. It's just, you know, the winter time, it's a pain in the ass working on cars. It's so cold out, so just be patient. I got more coming. Thanks.